Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to make money online by watching videos and ads. This method works worldwide and it is best way to make money online in 2020 by watching videos. There's three websites which I'm going to show you. The first website, this one, and the second website is an app that you can download, watch videos in cryptocurrency, then you can convert them into money, and there's a bonus website in the end. So what you do, watch the video until the end. If you watch the video until the end, you can win £10 PayPal money. Also, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. So subscribe, like and share this video. The first website you're gonna see here, you can earn money by completing offers and surveys and particularly watching videos. You don't have to watch the videos, just open and play it in the background. You earn points, then you can convert that points into PayPal money or gift card. So all you have to do is go to the top of the page and click sign up button here, and it will take you to sign up page where you can create a free account with them. So after you create a free account with them, there's three different things you need to understand. This is called offer wall. These are the offer providers, so you can click each of them. It will take to the different offers inside, and you complete that and you can earn points. Each points will be added in your wallet, then it can be converted into money. So you have to do certain questions when you start to create a free account. You need to complete certain questionnaires in order to they're able to provide you with the best suited service and offers for you. So when you complete these offers, you earn these points. The second one is surveys, where these providers provide surveys inside this website, so you don't have to go outside and open that and complete the surveys and you earn points. The final one, which is my favorite one, is watching videos. There's two different sections. One is Hideout TV, the second is Video Fox. Some of the country Video Fox won't work. In UK, Video Fox is not working, but Hideout TV is working. All you have to do is click this one, Hideout TV, and it will take you to this page. This is a Hideout TV a transfer page where you can create which kind of video that you want to watch. And if you go, then you have to go to Hideout TV and create a free account with them, and you're gonna watch videos here. And you can see here, and they tell you this, and you earn 0.7 points per 3 ad played in your videos. Again, you can watch as many as your videos. You can just open and play them in the background, and you earn money while the ad is playing on the videos. After ad is playing on the videos, you have to go to the bottom of the page, click reward, and click add the reward. It will add to your Hideout TV point balance, and you have to click redeem, and it will take you to the page where you can redeem to a different website. Because Hideout TV is the platform, or lots of other websites is used to run a watch video in method, right? So Hideout TV is the platform where you're going to watch the video, then you can, when you earn enough points, you can convert, send enough points to these websites like Wizen, iRas, or GrabPoint, Zoombucks, or this website is called Earnably. Earnably.com is work worldwide, and you can earn money by watching videos and ad, guys. So all you have to do is create a free account with Hideout TV and Earnably, and you watch the video, then you can connect Earnably account with Hideout TV, and you can transfer the points from that. Also, you can go to website like a Zoombox, GrabPoint, iRas, or Wizen, or Swapbucks, and you can transfer the points to those websites, and you can earn money from it. This is the first website, guys. The second website, which is my new website I just came around, is called tv2.com. It's an app. Basically, this is an app that you can download in your smart device. At the same time, you can download it in your TVs, guys. If you go to the bottom of the page, I will show you that you can download it into your TV2 app. You can download that app into TV, and you can start with your QR code by scanning the QR code. Or if you don't have a smart TV, don't worry, you can download in your smart device like tablets or your phone. All you have to do is you can earn money by watching videos from top creators, and you can see this the business partnership with the 28th Century Fox and Crypto Liberal Talks, and you can see CoinState, and they work with a big brand like Forbes and entrepreneurs like that, guys. All you have to do, what you do, you click download this app, and you can watch videos, you can earn cryptocurrency, and you can boost the earning by doing other things like doing surveys and other things like serving web and other things. So once you earn enough points, if you come down the bottom here, then you can convert that points. So when you earn 50,000 credit in the app, then you have to create Ethereum wallet address, then you can transfer this credit to that and you can convert that into real money. So TV2 app is you can pay you cryptocurrency for watching videos and doing other things online. For that, you don't need to have a laptop or computer. Only smart devices like a smartphone or tablet or smart TV is enough, guys. This is the second one. The third one is my favorite one. It's called iRacer.com. I put the link in the description for all three of them. Go and check it out today. And iRacer is another website similar to Earnably. You can earn money by surveys, completing offers, but there's a thing called AdSense Video Home, and if you click that, it will ask you to create free account with Hider TV, and if you click OK, and it will open up and it will play the video. When the ad played on the video, you can redeem that ad, or you can add that ad points onto Hider TV, then you can withdraw that into your favorite website. In this case, I'm going to withdraw that for iRacer. So three websites that you can use to make money by watching videos is, first one is called Earnably, second one is called TV2 app, and third one is called iRacer.com, guys. I hope you understand these videos. If you really like this video, leave a like, leave a comment. I like this video. Also, if this video get 100 likes, I will do the 10 point giveaway, guys. Until then, have a good day. See you next video, guys.